I get to understand that some people that play the sidekick role and they really not understand it. They really come like they don't have the qualification or the credentials or the requirement they have to take to be a side chick. They just know say them a side chick and them a play in this game called relationship, and it can't in everything where you do you have to know where you do properly in it. I can use a soccer game as an example because relationship is just like a game. You have the player, them you have the coach, you have the this, you have the that. Just like in a soccer game when you go so bams and you have the forward, you have left link, right link, midfield, left back, right back, stopper, man mark and goalie. And the same thing in a relationship when a side chicks you have to know no position. Just like our right link have to know them position, left link have to know midfield, forward, everybody have to know them position. And the same thing in a relationship with sidekick. If you never know, me tell you no, the wife, how you call it forward, more time the forward irreplaceable, and them response to score the goal them. Me not say nobody else can score a goal every now and then, you know, but the forward position, that's how him responsible for do. The forward, the person we are play forward in the relationship, them are no side chick, them are the man wife. Them not in a category they mix up on the yeah baby they are road, so we never go elaborate on them. In a man life, if you are a side chick and you play right link, you hold a good position. You hold a good position because you're second in command. You know, like the president, vice president, if anything wrong with the president or you take spot, at this so you they have a good position. Left link now, you dey on the man next side. So you is second in command to the right link. If anything do happen to the right link are you, so your position still good. If right link ever make the mistake and put themselves, you find say you are only right link position. Midfield and worry yourself, you still get a medal because first, second and third. No, not third day, you know a fourth day do. But anyway, you know at the left link get the bronze trophy. But anyway, you still hold a good position because outer road, in the side chicks, alright, in the side chick, when I score, when I count the white, in the side chick, you come third, so you hold a brand, you still make it to the podium, so you scrape through. All you have to do is respect the other two, and if you play a fair role right, no mind sharp, then to the outer town or anything, or you end up turn first lady overnight, you'd never believe. First lady, pan the road, in the cause, me tell you, say, wife, now mix up on now, yeah, baby. Alright, left back now and right back, them they are two battalions, them they just round, they just do one something at a time. I never know if it's about them. Alright, the man marker now are the one way you have to kind of rate. Because the man marker, the man walker, as a side chick, she a watch the man phone. She a make certain say everything intact. She watch him, she there road every night to sit with that. Nothing else now. You see the stopper now where they behind the man marker. The stopper the one now where sit with that no stray dog no come in. No, me say no stray dog no come in pan the turf, come on pan no feel just so like to them feel say a comparable or a comfy help us. And that at the stopper position now you see the goalie. You see the goalie response good times. No, I'm gonna say good times, carry response good times that is, but the goalie now, the goalie are the one around when the man feel like he really want to get him freak up a notch. Him check the goalie response to all the ball goggles in and the blow balls in and the big time blow job and in the era when him ready for them type of something there, and the goal him check. No position in our relationship and the game we run better. Just like out there on the football field, if you no run out, you no watch match, you know, if you no run out on the field and no look like you no disorganized, you can cause you to lose the match. If you no run out on the field and something go on and you get discouraged and start going like you no want to argue and fight on the field, it can cause you to disqualify and it can cause the game to lose. So no, no live good, better for you if you no live good because you shouldn't be enemy when you play on one team, a one man, a one dick. You understand? Chances are is one dick. You understand? So una teammate. The mind sharp, you can't have pity for the man here from the shot, the whole of them a sister and brother. No one do stop war, no position. But you know why you're no business when you come around and talk about man and what kind of problem and one girl and one no big time. Because none of you know a man white. Keep on buying quiet and live better. And live good. If you don't keep up the foolishness, the man might get vexed one night time and just eliminate everybody off of the team. And when you look, him just draft up a whole another team member when the one side, you know, they sorry and can't believe the outcome of because you know can't live good. Live good and stop the foolishness. Side chicks will live good at 2014.